Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of God. Today, we are going to study a prose in Unit 1, Prose 1 and 77. It is Hobby Turns a Successful Career. Look at the picture. What is the girl doing? She is painting. What is the man doing? He is cooking, or you can say he is cutting the vegetables. Will you like doing it? Why? Write in your notebook. Look at the third picture. A girl doing gardening. Do you like gardening? Yes or no? If yes means why? Please write it in a note. Look at the fourth picture of a girl riding a bicycle. What are the benefits of taking up cycling as a hobby? We will have good health, mind and body fitness. There are many benefits also. I ask you to write all the benefits you know. Keep it in your mind. You have to write in your note. You have to send me by WhatsApp. Okay? Now, listen to section 1 reading. Once there was a boy named Mani. He was studying at the school in his village. He found it difficult to read and write. His grandfather noticed it and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Gradually, he started reading on his own. Now, he not only enjoys reading, but also has started writing his own stories. Let us read an essay written by Mani. Hobbies are the activities that we do in our spare time. Hobbies are unique to people. Some like gardening, a few like photography, many have book reading as their hobby, while other hobbies are swimming, stamp collection, playing video games and many more. People have hobbies not only to pass their free time but also to do something useful. Hobbies help people learn new things, relax after a tiring day, and to energize their body and mind. Same is the case with me. I love writing, so it is my hobby. Writing is a unique hobby because most people don't want to exhaust themselves in their spare time. Many feel that writing is tough, but I do not think so. I feel writing is like painting our voice. When I get free time, I pick a pen and a notebook and start painting my ideas in words. I write stories, poems, and sometimes about my feelings. My mind relaxes when I pour my thoughts as words. So, writing energizes me. When I write things, my imagination is at its best. I imagine a world with magic and magicians, where I can fly and birds can talk. Writing helps me completely immerse into that world. Sometimes I sit with small children and entertain them with these stories of mine. The happiness of their faces makes me to write more and better. Although writing is just a hobby for me, yet it's very beneficial. It opens my mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. It makes me more passionate about my life. It makes me learn new things and enjoy every moment of my life. My hobby helped me in school too. When I started writing things, I was unable to describe them accurately. With time, my experiences helped me think of new ideas, and this made me a good writer. Now, I look out for things which I was not able to see before. Hence, I can describe things better in my stories. I feel no problem with writing English essays or stories as it is my hobby. To become a better writer, I spend time on learning how to write in different forms like fiction and non fiction. It is important to always learn and improve our hobbies. Who knows? One day I could be a writer like R.K. Narayan. Let us recapture in short what we have read so far. Mani's grandpa helped him to read and write. Mani had habit of reading bedtime stories. Mani started to write his own stories. Hobbies are gardening, photography, swimming, stamp collection, playing video game, and so on. Through hobbies, people learn new things and getting relaxed and energy. Experiences helped Mani think of new ideas and made him a good writer. To become a better writer, Mani spent time on learning to write in different forms in fiction and non-fiction. Good. We have completed the first reading successfully. Let us see some glossaries to strengthen our vocabularies. Now, I ask you to do the homework. Do the homework on page number 79. A. True or false? B. Choose the correct answer. Kindly send your answers to me by WhatsApp. Thank you all. Have a blessed day.